Find features that distinguish it from other brands for BOXGVO wireless CarPlay screen for car with 4K dashcam. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features: wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. This plug-and-play 9-inch CarPlay screen for car supports both Android Auto and CarPlay, so it's easy to connect and use whether you're an iOS or Android user. And your phone will automatically wireless link to the CarPlay or Android Auto via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi after first time setup. Real-time GPS navigation with voice control. The portable CarPlay screen provides precise real-time location and GPS navigation without delay. Allows you to provide real-time navigation using popular mapping apps such as Google Maps and Waze after successfully connecting your phone. And with Siri, Google Assistant, you can enjoy a smarter, safer, and more fun driving experience with calls, email, notifications, music, and more at your fingertips. Front 4K DVR loop recording camera and 1080p night vision backup camera. The car screen equipped with a front 4K camera and 1080p waterproof reversing camera. The CarPlay screen comes with loop recording. When the vehicle is involved in a serious collision, it will lock the video of the accident and show the lock icon at the top of the display. Locked images are not covered by the loop and other videos are automatically covered when the memory card is full. Tips: included a 64GF card, phone mirror link and upgrade for audio stereo output channels. This CarPlay screen for car supports iOS and Android phone mirroring. Equipped with upgraded Bluetooth, you can wirelessly transmit audio to the car speakers. You can realize lossless in-car audio experience. In addition, it also supports FM wireless audio transmission and AUX output audio, and the machine's own speaker playback. Make your trip fun. Easy installation and fit all different car. The CarPlay screen for car with 7 meters of rear pole camera cable. Outstanding value and tech to add to any older vehicle to have modern conveniences. No need to disassemble your car's console. Keep your car original radio. Perfect for coexisting. The CarPlay is suitable for most motor vehicles, such as cars, trucks, vans, pickups, and so on. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.